sucks.
All right, it's got 16 switches, baby. All right, dude, this is rad. Okay, so, oh my God, I don't have time for the whole story, but it has crushed velvet in the back and all of the goodness that is lowrider awesome. Okay, what's under the hood? Where are you from?
Come on.
I'm from Texas. This has a 6.0 LS with a Pro Charger. And I'm Roman Atwood and ready to rip.
Let's hear it for Roman Atwood in the lowrider on Dayton's. Dude, oh my God. Those are like 64 spokes with gold nipples. Oh, this is gonna be the best thing ever. The guy in the passenger seat is running the switches. Okay, go see Morrison and then do smoky things that make me proud. You're gonna go to the guy in the red shirt over there. I wanna see it hop.
Hydraulics on a burnout car?
Yeah.
Here we go.
Only did on that.
Only that. Yeah, I got hats on my Cletus last year. I got.
All right, so who thinks that if this lowrider could do a 3-wheel motion and a burnout, it would be awesome?
Busker doing his too.
I don't know.
Right?
But yeah, vice grip.
I like that.
Yeah.
It's a 64, I believe, yeah.
I found them at
Rolling in my
Good
6.0,
Times
baby.
in the amusement park.
I
just got off
love,
work at like 7.
I mean, it's a 4-door, but still, I love a 64 Impala. I would like a 64 Impala convertible. Triple chrome Dayton's, 13s, please, thin white walls. Basically straight out of a Dr. Dre video, and I'm all in.
I never could find the movie.
I found Cletus's last year. That's how I got picturing that side by him.
All right, ladies and
I tried to find
gentlemen,
him.
let's see it happen. I don't know where he's going, but I'm nervous. Oh, he's making an entrance like the Skids for Kids guy did.